Lovelies, welcome to the delicious kitchen. I'm sharing the simple, easy, delicious peppered chicken with you. A must try for everyone. In my well-washed chicken, I've just added garlic paste into it, and I'm about to add curry, thyme, oregano, and of course my garlic powder. I'm just going to add this into the well-washed chicken. I've added ginger paste. All right, so after that I'm going to add some black pepper into it. So after that I'll add salt. I'm going to add seasoning now into it, and after that I'm just going to mix it together. Shout out to you, all my subscribers, all my friends. Thank you so much for your support. God bless you. I've just added diced onion into it. It's now time to cover and boil. Let it boil in its own juice. Yes, let it boil in its own juice. Look at how it looks. Just mix it a bit together after 10 minutes. This is chicken soup, all right? If you're using soft chicken, you don't need to boil it that much. 10 to 15 minutes should be okay. So I'm just going to add water into this after boiling for about 10 minutes in its own juice. I covered it and allow it to boil. So while boiling, I'm going to blend my bell pepper and onions into roughly blended. This is how it's going to be. Look at it. It is roughly blended. To save time, you just need to sieve out the water. This is what I'm about to do now. I'm pouring it into the sieve and I'm just going to allow the water to drain out. Can you see? I don't need to boil this till it gets right. So I'm just going to pour that away. This is what I need. That is roughly blended bell pepper and onions. Let's go and check our chicken. I love it this way. This is super okay like that. So I'm just going to take the chicken out of the meat stock. The meat stock is also useful for jollof rice, for so many things. All right, so after taking it out, you can fry it in vegetable oil, but I'm going to roast this in the oven. Like I've said, I'm using hard chicken. All right, soup chicken is what I'm using. So I'm just going to roast it for about 15 to 20 minutes in oven. So after that, this is what I have. I love it this way. Look at how it looks. You can eat it this way, but don't forget, lovelies, we are making peppered chicken with this. You can also mix stew with this, but we are making our peppered chicken in another pot. Put some vegetable oil into it and add diced or sliced onion into it. Fry for about 2 minutes. It's now time to add our roughly blended bell pepper and onion into it. If you have habanero pepper, you can blend it with this bell pepper and onion. I do not have that. I'm going to use chili flakes. So you need to fry this. I've been frying this for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's now time to add my chili flakes into it. So after that, I just mixed it a bit together and I'll continue with other ingredients. What I have here is ginger powder, garlic powder, and after that I'm just going to add thyme into it. Feel free to add any seasoning you are used to. All right, so after that I'm just going to add some salt and I'm going to give it a good mix after adding this seasoning into it. So let them be well combined, mix it very well together and continue frying. So once you notice that you can see the oil floating on top of it, then it is ready. It's now time to get our boiled and roasted chicken. Now arrange it into this pepper and allow the pepper to cover it fully. All right, you can leave it open like this and let it remain like that under low heat, or you cover it and let them simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. Lovelies, this is a must try for everyone. It is super yummy. It is super delicious. Serve it with rice, with whatever, or you drink garri with it, guys. It's must try. Thanks for watching.